Our story today is Healthy Food Hunt. Good morning, KG1. Today our lesson is maths, and we're going to find out our new number this week. Just listen carefully to this story and you can answer some of my questions. Listen carefully. One sunny day, Rena and her friends went to Sephir Mall. First they went to Fun City and played. Then they went food shopping. Sarah bought bananas, but she did not count them. Can you count them for her and put them in the basket? Omar found his apples he wanted. Count them and tell me what color are the apples. Now Dana bought some mangoes. And Dana wants you to count how many mangoes she got and put them in the basket. Now, looking at this picture, count the boys, the girls, then how many all together, the boys and the girls together? This is our number today. Number 20. All about the number 20. Let's have a look here. The number 20 can be shown in lots of different ways, but I'm going to show you a few. If you have different ideas at home, you can count apples, oranges, fruit, you can count beans, anything you want, your toys, but number 20. Look, here is number 20, how we read it, and then the 10 frames we have. How many frames do I need for number 20? Each one is 10, so there's 2 frames there. Look, let's count them. From left to right, okay? The first row. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. And the last one. Right, and now you can also see our counters. Each counter, number counters, and you can join them together to make numbers. Can you see there are 2? Each one has 10. So this is 10 and another 10. If you have these counting blocks, little ones, you can make each one up to 20, 1, 20, or you can make 10, 1 and another 10, which make 20. You can use anything you want to make the number 20. And also, a more challenging way, I'll give you a secret. Didn't we say that these are 10 frames? So each frame, each rectangle has 10 inside, right? So we know that this is 10, the first one on the top. What comes after 10? You begin the next frame. So the first one on the top is 10. Then you go down to the next frame. What do I say? 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. I finished quickly because I knew the first frame has 10. So what comes after 10? 11, and you go on. Another way of finding out 20 is, can you spot the number 20 on the number line? You see this number line which begins with 0 and ends in 20. So which number is next to number 20? Put your finger on number 20 and which number is next to it? You think and tell me. Is it 18 or 19? Very close to number 20. Which comes before 20 next to it? You think and tell me. Yes, exactly, KG1. His finger, his Peter pointer went to number 19. Excellent. Let's try together. Ali needs to eat 20 peas. Can you click to put 20 peas on his plate? Now let's count them together. Now look at this firefighter. First of all, I'm going to ask you a few questions to think. Is she a girl or a boy? Look at her carefully. Right, she's got long hair. I think she's a girl. You tell me what you think. Is it a girl? Shake your head and say yes or no. Right, she wants to find, the firefighter wants to find the jar of 20 sweets. Can you help her? Look at all the jars here. What you're going to do, take your Peter pointer finger, look inside and count all the sweets in each jar and which one has 20, right? That's what the one she's looking for, okay? So when you find it, you say, this one, because it has 20 sweets inside. Have you noticed how numbers can be used for labels too? That means we can label everything with numbers. So numbers are very useful and we have numbers everywhere. If you look at these pictures here, can you look at number 20 where they've put them on many things? Let's have a look together first of all at the door. This is a house. And the door, on top of the door, there's number 20. So when we walk in the street and they tell us, come to our house, on the door there's number 20. So we know number 20 is on their door. If you look at the sign, the circle sign, that means the speed of the car, you cannot go more than 20. And look at that piece of money, okay? It's a 20 dirham. So there's 20 on it. That's 20 dirham. So we use numbers for money. We use numbers for traffic on the road. And we use numbers to assign the house number. And also on the calendar, when we say today is Thursday, the 20th of March 2020. So number 20 is also on the calendar. So many things we can use numbers for. Now we have a challenge. Let's stand up with Mommy. You and Mommy stand up. And stamp, can you stamp your feet 20 times? Let's start now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Now another challenge, KG1. Find a partner, your brother, your sister, mommy or daddy, and together with their 10 fingers, with their hands, can you show 20 fingers? Because you only have 10. Now I want somebody else with you to give you another 10 fingers and you count to 20. Okay, with your mommy, daddy, or your brother or your sister. And then go around the house and count 20 objects, whatever you want.
To write the number 0. 0. 1. 1 elephant. 2. 2 dogs. 3. 3 pandas. 4. 4 zebras. 5. 5 birds. 6. 6 caps. 7. 7 cups. 8. 8 jars. 9. 9 bugs. 10. 10 strawberries. 11. 11 bees. 12. 12 fish. 13. 13 butterflies. 14. 14 balls. 15. 15 owls. 16. 16 bells. 17. 17 stars. 18. 18 cupcakes. 19. 19 pencils. 20. 20 leaves.